Welcome students. In today's class we are going to study the physical properties of the alcohol. The physical properties of the alcohol mainly depends on the two parts. One is alkyl group, second one is hydroxyl group. The first one, alkyl group, which is going to modify the properties by addition of the hydroxyl group. That means in the alcohols, the overall property what we are going to see, it is mainly due to the hydroxyl group which is present in the alcohols. In today's class we are going to see some of the properties like boiling point and solubility, how they are varied with respect to the hydroxyl group. So let us start with first one, boiling points. The boiling points of the alcohols will be increased by increasing the number of carbon atoms. For example, if you are having the methanol and ethanol, ethanol will be having the 2 carbon atom, compare that of the methanol 1 carbon atom, hence ethanol will be having the higher boiling point than that of the methanol. If you compare between ethanol and propanol, propanol will be having the higher boiling point as the number of carbon atom will be more. If you compare between the propanol and butanol, butanol will be having the higher. In the butanol you are having the different types, N-butanol, isobutanol. Similarly, when you go for pentanol, pentanol, pentane 2-ol, like that, branching may be varied when you go for the higher number more than 4. During that time it will be varied differently. How it is going to vary? Let us see here. Alcohol boiling point will be inversely proportional to increase in branching. That means as the branching increases, boiling point will be decreased. As the branching increases, boiling point will be decreased. Remember, as you are having more number of branching in the same molecular formula, for example, you are having the pentanol and 2-methyl butanol, molecular formula will be same, but 2-methyl butanol will be having lower boiling point than that of the pentanol, because we are having one branching in 2-methyl butanol, whereas it is a straight chain in case of the pentanol. The OH group which is present in the alcohol will be involved in the intermolecular hydrogen bondings. How it is? See, the OH group, you are having hydrogen and oxygen will be having the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they will be having higher boiling point than that of the corresponding hydrocarbon and ethers. See, that is what we have studied in the next class. Boiling point of the alcohol will be higher than that of the other class of the compounds. For example, hydrocarbon, ether or haloalkanes. The main reason is intermolecular hydrogen bonding which is present in the alcohol. Hence, more amount of energy is required to break the hydrogen bond than to evaporate the molecule. Let us take one example, ethanol, whose molecular mass is 46 and its boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Similarly, one more molecule I am having with the same molecular formula, that is methoxymethane, CH3O CH3, in which the boiling point will be seen 248 Kelvin. The boiling point of the ethanol is 351. It is mainly due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas in case of ether, that is methoxymethane, we don't have the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, hence its boiling point will be less. The next property, solubility. The solubility of alcohol is mainly due to the hydrogen bonding. As you are getting the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the two alcohol molecules, there is every possibility is that it can form the hydrogen bond between the water molecule and the alcohol, due to which alcohols will easily soluble in the water and hence they are highly soluble. But not all the alcohols. Alcohol solubility will be decreased by size of the alkyl groups. That means they are inversely proportional. As the size of the alkyl group will be increased, solubility will go on decreasing. Remember this one. And third property, the lower molecular mass alcohol will be always soluble in the water. That means they are easily miscible with water in all the proportion. That is why methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol will be easily miscible with the water. As you go with the propanol, hexanol and all, the solubility will go on decreasing. The propanol, ethanol, methanol, you can easily see how they have already soluble in the water. If you mix those things with the water, you cannot make out the two layer separations. They are completely in the same proportion. They are going to form the homogeneous mixtures. Thank you.